Alleged drug dealer Stephen Stubbs is back behind bars tonight after being charged with 12 other men on one count of conspiracy to possess dangerous drugs with the intent to supply and one count of vagrancy. But in an unusual twist, one of the accused ended up taking the rap. LaDon Davis was in court and reports on what happened after the unexpected guilty plea.
The drug arraignment of Stephen Stubbs and his co-accused Dominic Laverty, Navarro Nairn, Charles Davis, Gerald Davis, Ricardo Davis, Tavares Miller, Dwight Stewart, Alvin Dumont, Antoine Bastien, Keno Wims, Giovanni Roberts, and Charles Darville created a buzz at the Nassau Street Court Complex Thursday morning as dozens stood around in awe wondering what the alleged drug dealer was being charged for this time. Stubbs and the others were charged by Magistrate Carolee de Bethel in Court Number 8 on one count of conspiracy to possess dangerous drugs, mainly Indian hemp, with the intent to supply on April 9th. They were also charged with vagrancy and possession of dangerous drugs with the intent to supply on that same day. Magistrate Bethel told the court that 50 small packages of marijuana weighing 8.4 ounces was found in a closed yard. Prosecutor Ursula Dorset told the court that officers had a search warrant for a residence on Strawn Alley. When officers arrived, they heard one of the men shout, "The man, the man!" Officers proceeded and searched the home and took the men into police custody. One of the defendants was reportedly seen removing something from the ground. Officers retrieved the item and found it to be a plastic bag which allegedly contained suspected marijuana. A container of the marijuana was also taken to the police station. All of the accused pleaded not guilty to the charges except Alvin Dumont, who pleaded guilty with an explanation. The prosecutor says Alvin Dumont was interviewed earlier at the police station and asked if he understood that he was being charged with drug possession and conspiracy to drugs. Dumont told officers he knew nothing about the drugs in question. Now, while Dumont has no previous convictions, in court he gave a different testimony. He told the court that he is a smoker, sells drugs, and that the drugs belong to him, and that the other defendants have no knowledge of those drugs. Dumont was charged with possession of dangerous drugs, and the court withdrew the other two charges found against him. He was told by Magistrate Carolee de Bethel that since it was his first time before the courts, his maximum sentence was 4 years. Magistrate Bethel asked Dumont what he plans to learn while in prison. He responded, "Take up a trade." The other 12 were all denied bail and remanded to Majesty's prisons, except Dumont, who will serve his 4-year sentence for pleading guilty. The accused returned to court for a fixture date on April 19th. LaDon Davis, ZNS News.